as many of you know, Judy and I RV, and the family has for a number of years. So we stopped at the RV Hall of Fame in Elkhart, Indiana. We had to go through the museum, and I'm going to do a very quick walk through so I could try and show you as much of this as I possibly can. But we have campers going back to the 1930s, like 34, 35. So camping's not a new thing. It's been around for a very, very long time. And they just about have every kind of camper you can think of here. They got the travel trailer type, some motorhomes, some homemade campers. Most of them are manufacturing campers. They're very small camper there. It was basically a bed on wheels, which we kind of had one of those we used to pull behind a motorcycle, behind a Goldwing. Very quick. And here's another. All kinds of travel trailers. Grandma sitting here having a cigar. Got the type that sat on top of a pickup. And here we go. I'm going to take you down this way. I'll show you a home built. Look at that old one right there. It has a caboose type deal. So you can see there you could drive it. And this one was a home built on a Cadillac frame. It could actually fit inside a garage. That was the reason he built it. This one kind of shaped like a railroad car. And we'll go back out. See all kinds. You can see that these vehicles are older. One built on top of a Ford frame. They have a 24 scale model of a plant building a fifth wheel trailer. And they explain each stage. Very interesting. Pop-up campers. And more modern looking ones. You might see a few of these still on the road with GMCs. They were very nice, built low. Conversion vans. The older Winnebagos, you still see a few of those. We had one very similar to this, basically a box on wheels, which maybe most of them are. Whoops, there's Judy. I say hello to everybody. And that was it. That took 3 minutes.